Good morning, everyone. I'm not showing myself today because I'm not, it's breakfast, it's early, I'm not dressed yet. So I'm just kind of showing you a quick leftover breakfast. I had a half a can of, those canned potatoes. I'd used one the other day. And I had these ones left over. We got to get them used up. So I got them frying up in about a tablespoon of butter. I used a tablespoon because I'm going to be adding a few other ingredients, but I want to get these going first. I had a piece of onion, so I'm just going to take another piece of it and chop that up into it. So we'll get that going. And I'm just letting it, I took a little piece, throwing some onion in here. This is popping, popping, popping. Turn it down a little bit. I might even have to add a little bit more butter, but that's okay. So I got that. I got a pepper I need to use, so I'm going to take a piece off that one. And again, just little slivers in there. Chop it any way you like. I'm just doing this fast because I'm hungry and I want to eat breakfast. So we're going to throw this pepper in here. I got an open piece of kielbasa. And you guys know I only like the market basket. It's Polska kielbasa. It's the only kind I like. So I'm going to take a slice of that off. This one I might have to use a serrated knife for, though. And I'm just going to throw some pieces of that in there. No rhyme or reason, just cutting it up. If I had a better knife, this would be going better, but like I said, this is just quick and easy. This is cooked all the way through, so this little piece, 2 pieces here, I'm going to save for the dog. Save that for Billy. And I'm just trying to get some heat on, not heat like spicy, but heat. Cooking it through potatoes. So everything's kind of warm before I throw the eggs in. See that piece pop right out of the pan? We're going to throw some pepper in. Pepper. That onion smells good. I think I might add just a small little, tiny more sliver of onion. Maybe another sliver of green pepper. Try to get some more green into this. Deconstructed omelet, guys, basically. Give us a little bit more color. This is going to be way too much for me, but I'll heat it up tomorrow morning and have it again. I'll eat half today, half tomorrow. A little bit of color on the potatoes, so. Oops. I need some more butter, guys. Put my eggs in. Let me get that. down just a little bit more. And we got 1, 2 eggs. I'm just going to scramble right in. And I added a little bit of salt and pepper to my eggs. Yeah, this would definitely, add another egg, would definitely feed probably 2 or 3 people. But like I said, I want to get those containers emptied. Start using up those couple of things I had in the fridge, the onion and the pepper. I'm just going to let these eggs cook thoroughly through. I do not like soft scrambled. I don't like it brown, but I don't want it soft either. I'm chopping everything up as I go. That's it. That's what's for breakfast today on this cold, freezing cold day. I did not go to the gym with my husband. He's at the gym. I just too tired right now today. I like to eat before I go to the gym. He likes to eat when he comes home from the gym. So yeah, I had to eat still, and I said just go, and I'll go the next time. That's okay. I've been doing so much running around. That's cardio. You're going from hospital, hallways, all that kind of stuff, you know. I'm moving, so I'm not too worried about it. But I'll get back into a good schedule because I need to go and keep my cardio and things up. All right, that's what's for breakfast. Remember, I love you. More importantly, Jesus loves you. You all have a fantastic day.